Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another video. Hope everybody's doing well today. Hope everybody's having a great weekend, and go ahead and date this. This is July the 10th, 2022. And got a video for you today. We're going to take our iPhone. This is my iPhone XR, 10R, whatever you want to call it. And I got my Windows PC. Right there. So a lot of people will tell you that you can't transfer files from an iPhone to a Windows PC. It's just not compatible, or from a Windows PC to the iPhone. And I'm going to tell you that it's just not true. You can have bi-directional communication and it's no problem whatsoever. You got to be a little geeky, but other than that, it works just fine. I'm going to show you how, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to go to our Windows desktop, and this is Windows 10, Windows 11. If you got Windows 7, it's a little harder, but I'm going to do it on 10 today. Capture the screen. Alright, we're going to go down here to the command prompt. So what the command prompt is a command line interface where you can type text into a black box and make work happen. That is the simplest way you can talk about it. So I'm going to shift right click on my command prompt, or we can go to our start menu, click start, and type CMD. And there it is right there. I'm going to right click, run as administrator. Alright, now as you can see, here is my command prompt. So right here, I'm going to type in the instructions for all this. I'm going to type all the instructions out in the description down there. So I'm going to type net user quote. And you can name this user just whatever you want to name him. I'm going to say iPhone files. iPhone_files. Okay. Password. So you do space, quote, my super secret password, 1, 2, 3, 4, end quote, space, forward slash, add. And that's all you do. Net, space user, space, quote, whatever your quote's going to be, end quote, space, quote, password, end quote, space, forward slash, add. I'll hit enter. Command completed successfully. So my user is iPhone_files. Okay, on my desktop, you can see I'm on my desktop here. I'm going to right click and go new folder. And I'm going to name this iPhone files. That simple. Now you can put this folder wherever the heck you want to. It doesn't matter. I just thought I'd put it on the desktop for simplicity. So I'm going to right click on this folder, go down to properties. I'm going to go to sharing. Okay, I'm going to share this folder. And now you have to tell it who you want to share it with. Well, I want iPhone files. That's my user. I'm going to hit add. Now, by default, you just have read permissions. I want this user to have read write. So I'm going to click on it, go read write. And then I'm going to hit share. I'm going to hit done on that one. Okay, now you see advanced sharing. Now, if we want to have bidirectional, we got to do this. So, advanced sharing, I'm going to click it. I'm going to say share the folder. I'm going to come down here to permissions. Now, you can take the everyone off. I'm going to hit add. And I'm going to say iPhone. Did I type there? Yeah. iPhone files. I'm going to check the name. There it is. I'm going to hit OK. Now I'm going to come down here to full control, because I want to be able to write back and forth. I'm going to hit apply and OK. Apply and OK. So now we have a folder set up just for the iPhone to talk to the computer. That's it. Now one caveat about this. Now you have to be on the same wireless network. So on my desktop computer, I have a USB adapter, and I'll put a link to it. It's from TP-Link. It's like 10, 11 bucks. Plug it in. Windows 10 sees it. Windows 11 sees it. And if you need a driver, I think it comes with the driver. So they got to be on the same network, the phone and the computer. I have the folder created. So now we're going to go to the phone. All right, so here's my iPhone screen. So what you have now, you have to find your Files app. And here it is. It's just a little file folder, a little blue file folder. And what you want to do, you want to go to the ellipse up here in the top right hand corner, little 3 dots, and you're going to say connect to server. Okay, go back to your computer, open up your command prompt, and type in ipconfig space /all. This is going to tell you your address. Now your address on your computer is just like your address on your mailbox. It's telling the network where you're living. So each device, your phone, your computer, everything has an address. So, okay, I'm going to look right here, and my address for my wireless. Now you want your wireless. Now if you have a wired connection and a wireless, there's going to be 2. Here it is, 86.154. Well, I'm going to come back here to my phone, and I've already typed it in because I was testing all this. So I've got 186.154. Okay, so you can go in as a guest and you'll only have read-only. If you're a registered user, you'll have all your bidirectional stuff. Okay, so here is my iPhone user. I want to say iPhone files. Alright, so now you see the folders that I created. Well, I created several, but here's my iPhone files folder right here. So what we want to do, we want to actually save something to this folder to see if it works. So we're going to go back. I'm going to browse for something on my phone. There's a picture I took. Alright, down here in the bottom left, you'll see the share icon. It's a box with an up arrow. I'm going to click it. And I'm going to go down to Save to Files. I'm going to scroll down to my share folder. Hit Save. And there it is. There's the picture. Isn't that cool? That's pretty neat. Now I want to take a file from my desktop PC, put it back on here. So I will find I'll just go right here in the folder. I'll right click, go New Text Document, call it Test. Type on it, this is a test. So y'all know I'm not faking it. I'll save it. You'll see it's in there. Let's go back to the folder on my phone. There it is. Oh, y'all can't see it because it's in the way. There it is. I don't know why it just did that. Okay, there it is. This is a test. It was weird. So anyway, there you go. I took a file from my phone, put it on the computer, put a file on my computer, put it back on the phone. Just that easy. You can do music, videos, text documents, spreadsheets, whatever, as long as you're on the same wireless network. So let's do a video real quick. Let's see if I can find one on my phone here. Okay, I'm going to do this. I'm going to go down to Save to Files. I'm going to click my shared folder, my iPhone files folder, and I'm going to hit Save. There it is. So now if I were to do that, there it is. Isn't that cool? I wish Apple would make it a little easier, but that wasn't too bad. So, hope you enjoyed this. Hope you get something out of it. If you got any questions, leave them down there in the comment section. That's all I got for tonight. Being able to get your files from your iPhone to your Windows PC, and from your Windows PC back to your iPhone. If y'all enjoy this, give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, hit that bell to be notified. We're at, let me double check before I say something wrong here. We are at 988 subscribers. 12 more gets me to 1,000. We're going to have 1,000 subscriber giveaway. Still don't know what it'll be, but I want to do something nice for somebody. That's all I got for tonight. If you got any questions, leave them down there in the comments. And let's get ready to go back to work tomorrow. So until the next video, thanks for watching. I gotta find some videos to transfer.